Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel Health Q, the place where my mission is to motivate you to look at the brighter side of the health. Today is Wellness Wednesday, and in today's video, I would be talking to you about 5 things that are important to keep in mind before starting HIIT workout. High intensity interval training program, one of the most popular exercise format that is getting lots and lots of popularity, acceptance these days, thanks to Corona or else this pandemic situation. People were confined to home and they wanted something that was equipment free and yet effective and time saving. And HIIT is an ideal program for that. But do you know, HIIT intensity workout also leads to a lot of injuries or else a lot of other musculoskeletal disorders in a lot of people. The reason being wrong technique and not taking care of certain things in mind before starting the program. In today's video, my intention is to talk about 5 important things that you should keep in mind before starting your HIIT workouts. So what are these 5 things? Let's have a look. So the first and the most important thing before starting HIIT training or else any kind of workout in general is warm up. It's very important to do your warm up before starting any kind of workout in order to prevent injuries. When you do warm up, you not only bring your heart rate to the right optimal exercise level, but you also increase blood flow. You also pump a lot of blood in various muscles which require a lot of blood supply and oxygen during the workout time. If you don't do workout, there would be a lot of lack of this oxygen supply, leading to injuries as well as some soreness or muscle fatigue. Hence, warm up is first and foremost and the most important thing when it comes to the exercise beginning. The warm-ups can not only be just simple cardio, but it could also be stretches. Stretchings are a very good form of warm-up as it increases the blood flow. It also increases the flexibility of the muscles that usually gets tight due to a sedentary lifestyle or is staying in one position for a long time. Hence, make sure to incorporate warm-up in your daily exercise routine. The second point is limit initially your exercise to 2 to 3 times in a week. Many a times people get a lot of motivation initially to start an exercise program and they overdo exercise by doing the exercises daily. Now, HIIT intensity workouts are kind of high intensity or higher pace workout. If you do it from the beginning daily, your body doesn't get the time to settle down, and when the body doesn't get the time to settle down, muscle fatigue or else muscle soreness, even some sort of injuries can happen, and which will prevent you to continue your exercise for a long period of time. Hence, it's always important to start slow and start steady. Hence, whenever you are starting your HIIT workout program, make sure to first start doing for 2 to 3 times in a week. Gradually, once you get comfortable with that, then only increase it to more days. That brings me to the third point, and that is learn the right technique of exercises. And this is the major one. Whenever we try to do exercise at home, we don't know the right technique of doing an exercise, which is also a cause for injuries. And it's much worse than doing workout itself. Hence, it's very important that if you are a beginner, if you are starting your workout program at home, take help of a professional who knows the techniques of exercise in the right way and who can teach you those techniques in the right way. You can take help of online fitness classes, online consultants, online coaches to coach you and help you or else guide you in doing the exercises in right way. Definitely, it's an investment that's worth making. Fourth point. Make sure always be watchful and mindful before starting HIIT workout if you are either pregnant or else if you are having history of some major injury like knee injuries, ligament tears, any sort of fractures or fall, or some sort of back issues. If that's the case, make sure first to take consultation of your doctor. Once your doctor gives you consent, go to a physiotherapist, get yourself evaluated well, and take an exercise guidelines from them. Share that guideline with your trainer and then only start your exercises. It's always important and good to be safe before starting any exercise program. And that brings me to the next point, and that is diet. many of us have this notion that exercise should be done empty stomach, but that's not necessary. Your body definitely needs fuel before burning the calories. So having a good pre-workout diet is important. Make sure again to take help of a nutritionist who can help you to make a proper diet plan that's according to your individual need. Do not exercise empty stomach. Make sure that you eat something and then give a gap of good 30 to 45 minutes or sometimes more than that before starting your exercises. Always offer fast digesting proteins and carbohydrates which provide good amount of amino acids and helps in building muscle strength and muscle mass. So these are the 5 points. If you keep in mind, definitely your HIIT workout training or this process of exercise will get much more smoother. My intention of creating this video is to educate you at first place and help you prevent yourself from the injuries that you can land up into by doing wrong exercise program or making mistakes while doing these exercises. I hope you found this information helpful. If yes, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends and family members, and do not forget to subscribe to HealthQ channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.